Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Old Harbor and we are going to give you an update on the REACH Roadworks program. Now, the roads in Jamaica are in a terrible state. Terrible. Potholes. Sometimes you have to come to a complete stop to go through the potholes. So the government has two programs to address the roads in Jamaica. The first is the $45 billion Spark program, which recently got underway. Now, that program, they are going to be redoing between 600 and 2,000 roads, community roads and main roads. But they are going to be repaving, doing over the entire stretch of those roads. The second program is the REACH program, which is a $5 billion program where they're going to patch the potholes in the roads. They're not going to do over the entire road, just patch it. So today we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the REACH program, the patching program. Work has commenced under the government's Relief, Emergency Assistance and Community Help REACH program. REACH was initiated to repair widespread road damage caused during the passage of Hurricane Beryl. The government allocated an initial $3 billion under the program, which was focused on community roads. This allowed members of parliament to select the roads that were of major concern to their constituents. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness announced the provision of an additional $2 billion, which brought the total allocation to $5 billion. Manager of Communications and Customer Services at the National Works Agency, which is spearheading the project's implementation, Stephen Shaw, stated that roadworks have commenced in sections of Kingston and St. Andrew, Manchester, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth, among other parishes. He explained that there were housekeeping matters that had to be concluded following the Prime Minister's pronouncement in order to mobilize the funds and activities related to the additional $2 billion allocation, including cabinet approval. Mr. Shaw said the necessary approvals and planning are now finalized, allowing the project's full rollout. The REACH program is a part of a wider machinery including regular road repairs being done during the Christmas season, as well as the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark program. Mr. Shaw pointed out that while projects have been signed for the Spark program, there is still some work to be done as the project is currently starting. As work progresses under the REACH program, he assures that further announcements regarding the project's locations and timelines will be forthcoming. Mr. Shaw encourages citizens to stay informed about ongoing projects through the NWA's social media platforms. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.